what's going on everyone? You're watching Electronic Sauce, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can create awesome minimalistic thumbnails for your YouTube videos on an Android smartphone. So as said, you wouldn't need Photoshop or any other photo editing software to create that. So let's get started. So what you need to do is to go on the Play Store and you need to search for an app known as Canva. There you go. Now you simply need to install this app, Canva, free photo editor and graphic design tool. It is a 20 MB app, so I've already installed it. So I'll proceed further. Just open the Canva app. Here it will ask you some details about us. Click on get started and I'll do continue with Google. You can also sign up with email, Facebook or any other. That's it. When you are into your Canva, you get a bunch of graphic designing tools. Like you can create Instagram posts, you can create Facebook posts, you can create Facebook cover, social graphic, photo collage and various other things. So you need to go, as per the video title, you will go to YouTube thumbnail or YouTube channel art. So YouTube thumbnail and YouTube channel art both create the YouTube thumbnail. I mean the size of both is the same, that is fit for the YouTube thumbnail. So you can either go to YouTube thumbnail or you can go to YouTube channel art. So I'll go to YouTube channel art, and there you can see it has a bunch of options. These are all templates you can edit text on. For example, let me choose something. This is a software I use every time to create my thumbnails for my videos. Hit the like button if you really like it. For example, I choose this. It is a nice pretty template. So suppose you are doing the gameplay of Far Cry 4, and just you type here your channel name, Electronic Sauce. There you go. You can also change the font. It has a bunch of fonts available, as you can see. Leak Spartan. And so you can also change the background image. So I've downloaded a Far Cry image. I'll show it to you. There you go. See, and you can get to image filters here. You get a bunch of filters, so you can get clear visibility on your text. Moreover, you can get advanced options, so you can play with bunch of new advanced options like blur. There you go. You can add this. It gives a nice little thumbnail, and the best part about it, these thumbnails are automatically saved in your gallery. So this thumbnail that I just created, you don't need to do anything, it's automatically saved in the gallery.